Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to know your vitamin D is low. This essential nutrient is vital for maintaining strong bones and supporting your overall health. Many individuals experience low vitamin D levels without any obvious symptoms, making it a silent issue. However, recognizing the subtle signs and understanding the risk factors can help you take proactive steps towards better health. Let's dive into how you can identify if your vitamin D levels might be insufficient. Low vitamin D can manifest in several ways, though symptoms are often subtle. You might experience persistent fatigue and tiredness, even after adequate rest. Bone pain, particularly in your back or joints, is another common sign. Many people also report muscle weakness, aches, or cramps. Additionally, mood changes, like feelings of sadness or depression, can be linked to insufficient levels. You may also find yourself getting sick more often, as vitamin D supports immune function. Certain factors increase your risk of low vitamin D. People with darker skin tones naturally produce less vitamin D from sunlight. Older adults, particularly those over 65, also have a reduced ability to synthesize it. Limited sun exposure, perhaps due to lifestyle or location, is a major contributor. Additionally, individuals with a body mass index over 30 may store vitamin D differently. The most accurate way to know your levels is through a simple blood test, which measures your 25-hydroxyvitamin D. If your blood test reveals low vitamin D, typically below 20 nanograms per milliliter, there are effective ways to raise it. Safe sun exposure, around 5 to 30 minutes daily, can help your body produce vitamin D. Include foods like fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified milk or cereals in your diet. Often, a vitamin D3 supplement is recommended to quickly restore levels. Remember, it is always best to consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice and to determine the right dosage for your specific needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.